JEE Mains Session 2 is approx 10 days away, and there are only 20 days left for BITSAT 2026. And you still don't know what to do. Relax, this video can be your savior. So if you are new here, hi, I am Dharvi Mehta, an AI and robotics engineering student. In this video, firstly, I will give you a basic 1-minute mind map of what BITSAT is about, and then we will talk about what you should do in these 20 days to boost your score. Let's start. So the exam is having 130 questions, 3 marks each, which sums up to 390 marks. The marking scheme is +3 - 1. 30 questions are for physics, 30 for chemistry, 40 for maths, 10 for English, and 20 for logical reasoning. So after doing all the calculations, we get approx 1.3 minutes per question, which is much less than what JEE offers. For JEE, we get 2.5 minutes per question. So this exam is an exam of pace. So now we will divide the students into 2 categories. The first one are who are only preparing for BITSAT, and the second one are the students who are preparing for both BITSAT and JEE. So let's firstly talk about those people who are only focusing on BITSAT. So if BITSAT is your only focus, you actually have an advantage. But if you follow the wrong strategy in the last 20 days, maybe your whole preparation and time can get wasted. So as I've already shown you that BITSAT is not about completing the whole syllabus deeply. It's about completing the exam under time constraints. But I personally think that practicing in a wrong way can just ruin your preparation. Just imagine you are sitting with a book in your hand and just solving questions the whole day without the time pressure that you are actually going to face in the exam. So you also agree that this is not the right way to prepare for BITSAT. Never mind. Now I am going to introduce you to India's #1 test series, which is presented by Crackit. Crackit is India's most affordable BITSAT test series designed by toppers from BITS Pilani. It includes relevant mock tests, detailed video solution, and also mentorship that focuses on each and every student individually. Let's take a look on their test. So this is how the website looks like. So if we see here, we can see that we have many kinds of test series. Like, just look at the variety of the tests. And also for BITSAT, we have many kinds of tests. We have pack of 15 tests, we have pack of 10, we have pack of 5, and also we have pack of 20 test series. So currently I am having this 20 test series wala pack. So we will just log in there. Here you can see that we have 21 tests, like not 20, we have 21 tests and 69 chapter wise tests. If we just look about this bundle, we have free mentorship by BITSians and IITians. We have 21 full-length mock tests with video solution for each and every question, like you can select any question and you will have its video solution. And we have 30 questions for each chapter in the chapter-wise test. So now let's have a look at the full-length tests. Here, as you can see that we have 20 mock tests, not 20, sorry, 21, because in mock test 1 we have 2 tests. So we have 21 full-length tests, and we have about section. Here we have all these sections. We can also have our own community in the discussion section. We can also bookmark any question which we find difficult or tricky, or just to give a review after the exam. Now if we look in the chapter-wise test, we can see that we have all these 5 subjects which are coming in BITSAT. We have physics, chemistry, maths, English, and logical reasoning. Here all the sections are also same. You can scan this QR code to get this app. So I have provided the link in the description. Go and check out now. So to boost your preparation, I prefer you to go with Crackit. So now let's focus on what you have to do to save your attempt. Now let's be real. You have 20 days left, and in 20 days you cannot master the whole syllabus. Now you have to focus on maximizing your score with what you already know, the topics that you have already understood, the concepts that you have already learned. You can't pick up speed in the exam in the topics that you will start learning now in these last 20 days. So now you have to focus on what you have learned and understood already. Now the exam is near. What you have to do is revision, give Crackit's chapter-wise tests, and also 1 mock test every 2 or 3 days. Don't be afraid of giving mock tests. You have video solution, test analysis, and a mentor already. Now just go and give as many mock tests as you can. So now you also know that you have to focus on topics that give you more return on investment. So according to me, you have focused on physics, chemistry, and math for almost 2 years now. If you focus on English and logical reasoning now, they can give you 90 marks if you just give a bit of attention to them. You don't need to look for and learn the theory of these topics. You just have to practice the questions, and for that you already have cracked it. The Mool Mantra for BitSat is skip the topic and the questions that you think are gonna waste your time. Now let's discuss for the second half of the students who are preparing for both BitSat and JEE Mains. Okay bro, I know you don't have time to focus on BitSat in between your JEE preparation, and I'm not telling you to do so, but a simple tweak in your preparation style can help you boost your score in both the exams. You already know that JEE Mains is an exam of difficulty, whereas BitSat is an exam of speed. What if you focus on your JEE Mains level difficult questions, but while giving you a lesser time? Like in JEE, you get approx 2.5 minutes per question, but what if you set your timer according to 2 minutes per question? This will help you in JEE as well as BitSat. Okay, let's not confuse things. I'm just telling you to practice your questions faster. I have researched on BitSat a lot, and what I understood is the problem with JEE students is that they think that BitSat level is too low for them and they underestimate it. But the actual problem that they face while giving the exam is only the speed. So if you people focus on speed while solving the questions, it would be very easy for you to crack BitSat because the level is too low as compared to JEE. Everybody knows that. Now let's talk about what you have to do after 10 days when you will get free from JEE Mains and you solely have to focus on BitSat. Expecting that you have prepared JEE Mains at a good level, now what you have to do is focus on English and logical reasoning. Your physics, chemistry, math is already strong. Now topics like English and logical reasoning can give you 90 extra marks if you focus on them too. BitSat is all about strategy. And you, the JEE students, are already expert in making strategies. And in the last 10 days that you are getting, please don't run behind theories and tricks in these topics like English and logical reasoning. It will waste a lot of your time, which you already don't have. In the last days, just give more and more topic-wise tests and mock tests with Crackit. Because you can't waste your time finding video solution and analysis anywhere else, which you already don't have. So if you like this video, comment if you need any help, say thank you to me, subscribe to my channel, follow my new Instagram account, and finally, bye bye.